Have you ever dreamed of exploring a world so rich and vibrant that it seems like a living, breathing entity? Imagine venturing into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a place where every leaf, every drop of water, and every whisper of wind tells a story of life in its most untamed form. Join us as we explore the secrets of this emerald treasure, the heart of the Amazon. In the vast expanse of our planet, there exists a realm so vast and so filled with life that it defies the imagination. This is the Amazon rainforest, the Earth's green heart, pulsating across 9 countries and stretching over 5.5 million square kilometers. It's a living mosaic that hosts the greatest collection of life forms known to humanity. Here, in this colossal domain, rivers weave through the landscape like veins. Dense canopies hold secrets millennia old, and the air thrums with the heartbeat of the natural world. Imagine a place incredibly diverse, with every step revealing a species yet unnamed, where trees stand tall and dense, their crowns creating a green ocean overhead, casting the ground into perpetual twilight. The Amazon is not just a rainforest, it's a sanctuary of biodiversity. Within its borders, it shelters millions of species, many of which are the keys to understanding our planet's past and possibly the answers to our future. From the microscopic fungi that enrich the soil to the jaguars that roam the forest floors, each life form is a thread in the intricate web of life that the Amazon weaves. Diving deeper into this emerald expanse, the Amazon reveals its complex ecosystems. The riverine networks, a lifeline for the rainforest, teem with life. They serve as the arteries of the Amazon, transporting water and nutrients, shaping the landscape, and providing vital resources for countless species. The flooded forests, where trees stand knee-deep in water, have become a nursery for fish and a hunting ground for dolphins. On land, the dense canopies offer sanctuary and sustenance to an array of creatures, from the vibrant macaws to the elusive sloths, each adapted to life on the treetops. Under the canopy, the forest floor is a treasure trove of biodiversity, hosting fungi, insects, and the roots of giants. The heart of the Amazon beats strongly, echoing through its vastness. It's a reminder of the raw, untamed power of nature and a call to protect this irreplaceable treasure. As we embark on this journey through the Amazon, let us marvel at its wonders and heed its silent plea for preservation. The Amazon is a testament to nature's resilience and bounty, iconic inhabitants of the Amazon. Deep within the lush, verdant expanse of the Amazon, amidst the symphony of life that fills its air, water, and soil, dwell creatures of extraordinary allure and astounding adaptation. This is a world where the colossal anaconda, the leisurely sloth, and the formidable caiman play pivotal roles in the ecological theater of the rainforest. In the waterlogged realms of the Amazon, where the river meets the jungle, the anaconda reigns supreme. This serpent, the largest of its kind, embodies the raw, unbridled essence of the Amazon, with a body that can stretch to the length of a bus and a girth as wide as a grown man's waist. The anaconda is a marvel of evolution. It thrives in the murky waters, blending seamlessly into the environment, waiting with infinite patience for its moment to strike. Its hunting prowess is not a matter of speed, but of strategy. It coils with silent precision around its unsuspecting prey, embodying the inevitable embrace of nature. Yet, despite its fearsome reputation, the anaconda plays a critical role in controlling the population of other species and maintaining the delicate balance of the Amazonian ecosystem. High in the canopy, amid the emerald leaves, the sloth demonstrates a contrasting ethos of existence. This creature, adorned with a coat that harbors a miniature ecosystem of moss, algae, and insects, moves through life at a pace that defies the urgency below. The sloth's diet, consisting mainly of leaves, demands little energy, yet provides enough sustenance to navigate the treetops with a grace that belies its slow movements. Its survival strategy is one of stealth and stillness, a testament to the Amazon's diversity in fostering life strategies at every tempo. Under the water's surface and along the riverbanks, the caiman patrols the waters with an ancient authority. These reptilian predators, with their armored bodies and keen senses, are the custodians of the waterways. The Amazon hosts a variety of caiman species, each adapted to different niches within the rainforest's aquatic environments. From the dwarf caiman, scarcely larger than a house cat, to the imposing black caiman, they are a critical component of the aquatic food web. Their presence ensures the health of the rivers and lakes, governing the populations of fish and other aquatic organisms, and thus sustaining the intricate web of life that defines the Amazon. Each of these inhabitants, with their unique lifestyles and survival tactics, contributes to the intricate tapestry of life that makes the Amazon not just a rainforest, but a living, breathing entity. Their existence is a testament to the resilience of nature and the endless forms of life that it can sustain. In the shadowy underbelly of the Amazon, the ground teems with life. Here, the tarantula reigns with silent authority. These spiders, among the most ancient and misunderstood of the Amazon's denizens, weave not just webs, but the very fabric of the forest's folklore. With sizes that can span a human hand, they are the architects of the micro-ecosystems of the forest floor. The tarantula's hunting strategy is a blend of patience and precision, waiting motionless for hours, then striking with unerring accuracy. Their presence is pivotal in controlling populations of insects and smaller animals and maintaining the ecological equilibrium of their habitat. Within the murky waters of the Amazon's extensive river network, a creature of legend glides, the Amazon River dolphin, or boto. This being, shrouded in mystery and folklore, navigates the labyrinthine rivers with a grace that belies its environment's complexity. With a flexibility found nowhere else in the cetacean world, botos twist and turn through the flooded forests in search of sustenance. Their echolocation, a beacon in the turbid waters, guides them to prey in a world where visibility is often less than a few inches. Yet, these mystical navigators face threats from habitat destruction and pollution, their survival tethered to the health of the Amazon itself. The tarantula and the boto, each in their domain, embody the spirit of the Amazon, mysterious, ancient, and endlessly fascinating. Their lives and struggles are a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains this great green world, the plight and hope of the Amazon. As we journey through the heart of the Amazon, beholding its wonders and marveling at its inhabitants, we are also confronted with a stark reality. This majestic realm, a crucible of life on Earth, faces grave threats that jeopardize its very existence. The specters of deforestation, climate change, and species extinction loom large, casting long shadows over the rainforest's future. Human activity has accelerated these threats to a tipping point. Logging, for both timber and land clearance, slices through the forest with indiscriminate fervor. Mining operations scar the landscape, polluting rivers that are the lifeblood of this complex ecosystem. Agriculture, especially the expansion of soy cultivation and cattle ranching, consumes vast swaths of land, eradicating diverse habitats in its wake. These actions not only destroy the forest, but also disrupt the delicate balance that sustains the myriad forms of life within it. Yet, within this narrative of despair, there are beacons of hope. Conservation efforts, both local and global, are fighting back. Protected areas have been established, safeguarding millions of hectares from destruction. Indigenous communities, the Amazon's original stewards, are at the forefront of efforts to preserve their ancestral lands through sustainable practices and legal protections. International collaborations and treaties aim to address the root causes of deforestation and climate change, seeking solutions that benefit both the environment and the people who depend on them. These efforts represent a commitment to the Amazon's future and a recognition of its irreplaceable value to the planet. The path ahead is fraught with challenges, but the resolve to protect this emerald heart of our world has never been stronger. As we stand at this crossroads, the choice is ours: to be the generation that allowed the Amazon to diminish, or the one that came together to ensure its preservation for all future generations. Our journey through the Amazon rainforest draws to a close, and we're reminded of the delicate balance that sustains this incredible ecosystem. But the future of this vibrant world hangs in the balance. Will we be the guardians of this emerald treasure, or will we let it slip through our fingers? What role will you play in the story of the Amazon? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.